Hello, my name is Crafty Dairy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami fish. This model is very simple and requires one sheet of square paper. I'm using 6-inch square, but you could use any size square. Now first start white side up, fold diagonally in half. You should have a triangle. Then on the top you should have 2 flaps, like this with the white inside, and then the solid raw edge facing you. And now, after that, you want to fold a little bit. This will be the width of the tail. I choose a little thick with like raw edge. Now make sure it's even. Like mine's is not even, but you have to make it even. Make sure your paper doesn't move around. Once you did that, you're going to fold it on this top edge. Okay, now you should have this. Okay, now once you did that, you want to fold it, like you want to turn over, well, rotate, and fold this edge like that. Make sure it doesn't crumble. Now you want to turn it over and do the same thing. You can also use that assisting crease. And right now it kind of looks like a kunai, but it's fine. Now listen carefully. Now you see this top flap, like that's right here, this front flap. You want to see the back flap that's behind it. You want to just take that back flap and put it over it. Like that. Alright. Now you want to turn it over, or flip it over, and tuck this edge at the top of that little pocket. And your origami fish is done. But you could also add a marker. And the way you add a marker is that you get a marker, and you could draw little eyes on it. Okay. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and that this was easy for you, because this is a real simple model, right? So I hope that you enjoyed it and that this was simple enough for you. And this is the origami fish. Okay, now once you have that, have fun with your creation. Remember, bring a smile. Goodbye.